to American Dream Mansions, the channel where luxury meets lifestyle and dream homes come to life. Today, we're bringing you inside an extraordinary modern luxury residence that perfectly blends elegance, comfort, and cutting-edge design. From the moment you see this home, it makes a powerful statement of sophistication and timeless style. As we arrive, the daytime exterior immediately captures attention. A stunning architectural facade with clean lines, expansive glass, and a refined blue and golden color palette sets the tone. The driveway leads gracefully to the entrance, while landscaped greenery enhances the home's premium presence. Aerial drone views reveal how beautifully this property sits within its surroundings, offering both privacy and grandeur. Stepping through the grand entrance, you're welcomed by a sense of openness and light. High ceilings, premium marble flooring, and soft natural daylight create a luxurious first impression. Golden accents paired with calming blue tones flow seamlessly throughout the home, establishing a cohesive and elegant design language. The living room is designed for both comfort and visual impact. Plush seating, modern decor, and large windows allow daylight to flood the space, creating a warm yet refined atmosphere. This area effortlessly connects to the TV lounge, where entertainment meets luxury. A large screen, ambient lighting, and carefully selected textures make it the perfect place to unwind or host guests in style. Moving deeper into the heart of the home, we arrive at the open-plan kitchen and dining area. This space is truly a showstopper. The modern kitchen features sleek cabinetry, premium finishes, and a striking island that serves as both a functional workspace and a social hub. Blue cabinets accented with golden details add richness, while the dining table sits under elegant lighting, ideal for family dinners or upscale gatherings. From here, the home flows naturally into additional living spaces that enhance everyday living. Whether it's quiet moments or lively entertaining, every corner of this house has been thoughtfully designed to elevate the experience. Upstairs, the private spaces continue the theme of refined luxury. The bedrooms are spacious, calming, and beautifully styled. The master bedroom stands out with its elegant design, soft lighting, and premium finishes. Large windows provide natural light while maintaining privacy, making it a true retreat within the home. The bathrooms feel more like a five-star spa than a typical residential space. Featuring modern fixtures, sleek surfaces, and a balanced mix of blue tones and golden accents, these bathrooms offer relaxation and luxury in equal measure. Every detail has been carefully considered to provide comfort and style. For wellness and lifestyle, the home includes a private gym, allowing you to maintain an active routine without leaving the house. This space is bright, modern, and equipped to support a premium fitness experience. The garage matches the luxury found throughout the property, offering a clean, modern environment perfect for high-end vehicles. It's not just a storage space, it's an extension of the home's refined design. Finally, we step outside into the garden area, where indoor luxury meets outdoor serenity. The landscaped lawn, stylish seating, and elegant swing create a peaceful setting for relaxation or entertaining. This outdoor space is perfect for enjoying sunny days, quiet evenings, or hosting memorable gatherings. This incredible property represents what modern luxury living is all about: thoughtful design, premium finishes, and a lifestyle-focused layout that feels both impressive and welcoming. Thank you for watching American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this luxury home tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Stay tuned for more breathtaking homes, exclusive tours, and the finest real estate showcases from around the world.